Many BMW owners get shocked when their car overheats. Often the electric water pump. When it starts to weaken, the coolant still moves but with low pressure. And that's when the engine temperature climbs. The warning signs are subtle: fluctuating temperature, weaker AC in traffic, or the radiator fan running non-stop. At U Auto Care, most overheating BMWs we diagnose end up having a failing water pump, not a bad radiator. Ignoring it can lead to a damaged head gasket and a much bigger repair cost. That's why we always run proper pressure and coolant flow tests. If your BMW shows these symptoms, get it checked early. U Auto Care is ready to help.